Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. My name is Laiba, and I am very happy that you are here today.
I hope you are doing well and feeling positive. Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting and powerful topic, success and English.
And if you enjoy this kind of content, then make sure to watch these videos every day, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and share. It really helps and keeps you motivated to learn more English every day.
Many people want success in life. Some people want a good job. Some want confidence. Some want better education, money, or a better future for their family. But one thing is very important in today's world, and that is English. English is not just a language. It is a skill that can change your life. It can help you study, travel, communicate with people, and find new opportunities. English can help you grow step by step towards success. Now, maybe you are thinking, Laiba, my English is not good. Or maybe you feel shy when you speak English. That is completely okay. Every person starts from zero. Nobody becomes perfect in one day. Even small practice every day can make a big difference. In this podcast, we will talk about what success really means, why English is important for success. Common problems. English learners face easy daily habits to improve English and simple tips to become more confident and successful. I will use very simple English and easy sentences so everyone can understand comfortably. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy this learning journey with me. Remember one important thing. You do not need perfect English to start. You just need courage, practice, and belief in yourself. So let's begin today's podcast about success in English. What is success? Many people think success only means having a lot of money. But real success is much bigger than that. Success can mean different things for different people. For one person, success may be getting a good job. For another person, success may be speaking English confidently. For a student, success may be passing exams with good marks. And for some people, success simply means becoming better than yesterday. Success is reaching your goals step by step. For example, if your goal is to improve your English, then every new word you learn is a small success. Every time you speak English without fear, that is success too. Sometimes people want fast success. They want results in one day or 1 week. But real success takes time, patience, and hard work. Nobody becomes successful overnight. Think about a baby learning to walk. At first, the baby falls many times, but the baby keeps trying again and again. Finally, the baby learns to walk. Life is the same. We learn from mistakes, practice every day, and slowly improve ourselves. The same thing happens when learning English. In the beginning, you may make grammar mistakes. Your pronunciation may not be perfect. Sometimes you may forget words while speaking, but that is normal. Mistakes are part of learning. Successful people are not people who never fail. Successful people are those who never stop trying. So always remember, be patient with yourself. Learn step by step. Celebrate small progress. Never give up. Even 10 minutes of English practice every day can help you move closer to success. Success is not about being perfect. Success is about improving yourself little by little. English is so important for success today. English is called an international language because people use it all around the world. Millions of people speak English in schools, universities, offices, businesses, airports, and on the internet. Today, English is connected to education, technology, communication, and career opportunities. That is why learning English can help people build a better future. For students, English is very important because many books, courses, and websites are in English. When your English improves, you can learn more knowledge from around the world. For workers and job seekers, English can help in finding better jobs. Many companies want workers who can understand and speak English. Even simple English communication can make a person more confident during interviews. English is also very useful on the internet. When you watch YouTube videos, use social media, search on Google, or study online, English helps you understand more information. For example, you can watch English podcasts, you can learn skills online, you can communicate with people from different countries, you can create content on YouTube or social media. English also helps people travel and communicate easily. If you visit another country, English can help you ask questions, understand directions, and talk with new people. But remember something important. Learning English does not mean changing who you are. It simply means learning a new skill that can help you grow. Many successful people were once beginners in English. They practiced every day, made mistakes, learned slowly, and improved with time. So if your English is weak today, don't feel discouraged. Every small step matters. Maybe today you know only a few English words. Tomorrow you will know more, and one day you will speak confidently. English is not only a language. For many people, it is a bridge to success. Let's talk about some common problems that English learners face. If you are learning English and sometimes feel nervous, shy, or confused, don't worry. You are not alone. Almost every English learner faces these problems in the beginning. One very common problem is the fear of speaking. Many people think, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? Because of this fear, they stay silent even when they know some English words. But remember this, making mistakes is a normal part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Mistakes help us learn and improve. Another common problem is lack of confidence. Some learners understand English, but they feel shy when speaking. They worry too much about grammar or pronunciation. Because of this, they lose confidence. The truth is, confidence comes from practice. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become. Grammar is also difficult for many learners. English has many rules, and sometimes the rules can feel confusing. But you do not need perfect grammar to communicate. Start with simple sentences. Speak slowly and clearly. Little by little, your grammar will improve naturally. Pronunciation is another challenge. Some English words are difficult to say correctly, but this problem can improve through listening and repeating practice. You can listen to English podcasts, watch English videos, repeat sentences loudly, practice shadowing every day. Some learners also compare themselves with others. They think, my English is bad. Others speak better than me. But comparison is not helpful. Every person learns at a different speed. Focus on your own journey and your own progress. Always remember, don't fear mistakes. Don't stop practicing. Speak even if your English is not perfect. Small improvement every day becomes big success later. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The important thing is to keep going and never 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's talk about some simple daily habits that can help you improve your English and move closer to success. The best way to learn English is not studying one day for many hours and then stopping for a week. The best way is small daily practice. Even 15 or 20 minutes every day can make a big difference. The first habit is reading simple English daily. You can read short stories, English quotes, easy news, social media captions, children's books. Reading helps you learn new words, sentence structure, and grammar naturally. The second habit is listening to English every day. Listening improves pronunciation and speaking skills. You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, English songs, motivational speeches. At first, you may not understand everything. That is okay. Just keep listening regularly. Another powerful habit is learning a few new words daily. You do not need to learn 100 words in one day. Just learn 5 new words daily and use them in sentences. For example, success, confidence practice, improve opportunity. When you use words again and again, they become part of your memory. Now let's talk about speaking practice. Many learners wait for the perfect time to speak English, but the best time to start speaking is today. You can practice speaking in front of a mirror, talking to yourself in English, describing your daily routine, speaking with friends. Do not worry about mistakes. Speaking practice builds confidence. Another great method is shadowing practice. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately like a shadow. This helps improve pronunciation, speaking speed, and fluency. For example, listen to a short English sentence and repeat it exactly the same way. You can also write short English sentences daily. Writing helps organize your thoughts and improves vocabulary. For example, today I practiced English. I want to become successful. I will never give up. Small habits create big results over time. If you practice English daily with patience and consistency, your confidence will grow slowly and naturally. Remember, you do not need to be perfect. You only need to keep practicing every single day. How English builds confidence? Confidence is a powerful thing in life. When people feel confident, they speak better, communicate clearly, and express their ideas without fear. For many people, learning English becomes a way to build self-confidence. At first, speaking English may feel difficult. Your hands may shake, your voice may become slow, and you may worry about mistakes. But with regular practice, your confidence starts growing little by little. Every time you speak one English sentence, you become stronger. For example, imagine a student giving a presentation in class. In the beginning, the student may feel nervous, but after practicing English again and again, speaking becomes easier. The same thing happens in job interviews. People who can speak English confidently often feel more comfortable communicating with others. English also helps people express their thoughts clearly. Sometimes we have good ideas in our mind, but we feel shy to speak. Learning English communication skills can help us share our opinions with confidence. Today, many people use English for YouTube videos, podcasts online, business social media, content, international communication. English can help content creators connect with people from different countries around the world. Confidence does not come suddenly in one day. It grows slowly through practice, learning, and experience. So if you feel shy today, don't stop. Keep practicing. Speak English. At home, in front of a mirror with friends, during daily activities, even simple sentences can improve your confidence. Always remember, confidence is not about speaking perfect English. Confidence is about speaking without fear. The more you practice English, the more confident and successful you and motivation. Sometimes when people start learning English, they feel weak or discouraged. They think, my English is not good. I learn very slowly. I can never become fluent. But the truth is, many successful English speakers once felt the same way. Many people started with very basic English. They did not know grammar well. They made many mistakes while speaking. Sometimes they felt shy and nervous. But they continued practicing every day, and slowly they improved. For example, some students learn English by watching simple videos daily. Some people improve by listening to podcasts while working or traveling. Others practice speaking alone in front of a mirror every day. Step by step, their English becomes stronger. Success does not come from talent only. Success comes from consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly without giving up. Imagine two people. One person studies English for 5 hours in one day and then stops for a month. Another person studies only 20 minutes every day. The second person will improve faster because daily practice is more powerful. Another important thing is patience. Sometimes progress feels slow. You may think your English is not improving, but every small practice is helping you grow inside. One day you will suddenly notice you understand more English, you speak more confidently, you remember more words, you feel less fear. That is how success works, slowly, step by step. Also, never compare your journey with other people. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people learn quickly, while others need more time. Both are completely okay. Focus on your own progress. Even if you improve only a little today, that is still progress. Always tell yourself, I can improve, I will keep learning, I will not give up. Remember, success is not about being perfect. Success is about continuing even when things feel difficult. If you stay patient, practice daily, and believe in yourself, your English and your confidence that can help you become successful in English learning. These tips are easy to follow, but they can make a big difference if you practice them regularly. The first tip is, never stop practicing. English is a skill, and every skill becomes stronger with practice. Even a few minutes daily can help you improve slowly and naturally. The second tip is, don't fear mistakes. Many learners stay silent because they are afraid of speaking wrong English. But mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new. Remember, you learn more by speaking than by staying silent. The third tip is, use English in daily life. Try to make English part of your routine. For example, think in English. Write short notes in English. Speak simple sentences at home. Use English words during daily activities. The more you use English, the easier it becomes. Another important tip is, stay positive. Sometimes learning feels difficult, and that is normal. Some days you may feel tired or discouraged, but don't quit. Stay patient and continue learning step by step. You should also believe in yourself. Confidence is very important in language learning. Even if your English is not perfect, keep speaking and keep trying. Another great tip is to make learning fun. You can. Watch English movies, listen to English songs, follow English podcasts, play word games, read interesting stories. When learning becomes enjoyable, you stay motivated longer. And finally, always remember this: small daily progress is better than doing nothing. If you learn a few words today, speak one sentence tomorrow, and practice again the next day, you're already moving towards success. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up on yourself. Today we talked about success in English. We learned that success is not only about money or big achievements. Success means improving yourself step by step and reaching your goals with patience and hard work. We also learned that English is a very important skill in today's world. It can help us in education, jobs, communication, confidence, and many new opportunities. Remember, learning English is a journey. You do not need to become perfect in one day. Small daily practice can create big changes in your future. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't compare yourself with others. Just keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Even if your English is simple today, your future English can become strong with consistency and patience. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly hope this podcast helped you feel motivated and more confident about your English learning journey. If you enjoyed this podcast, continue practicing English every day and never stop growing. My name is Liba, and I will see you again in the next podcast. Until then, stay positive, stay confident, and keep moving towards success. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye, and take care, everyone.